and welcome back to my channel. So today we're talking about this glow recipe watermelon dew drops that I have right here, and this is a sample slash select size product that I received from one of my glam bags. Alright, so the packaging is very simple. I really like the pink color. Alright, so on the back right here we have a little description about the product, and then it has this piece of paper right here. So when you peel this paper, it actually has all of the ingredients listed right here. And I would have to say, as for this product, I really like this product, but the price point of this product is like so expensive. Alright, so you remove the cap, and so as I mentioned, this is like a sample size product right here. So for the color of it right here, it is like a, I want like a pearly lightish pink color. So then you actually only like need just like one pump, like one squeeze, and it works for your whole entire face. So when you go and apply it to your skin, it just feels very like smooth. It definitely does sink in. I would definitely say give it about probably like 45 seconds like after you apply onto your skin. So once you rub everything in, so just give it a little bit of time to sink into your skin before you apply on your other products. And what I would say is that when you apply it on, you definitely will notice a difference within your skin. Like your skin will definitely look a bit more glowier, kind of like when you have that like glass skin kind of glow right there. Like this is what this product will do for you. And the product does feel a little bit sticky. It has a little bit of like a, I guess like an oily film base left on here, but don't worry, it will help like grab onto the product more. So as for scent wise, I know you're probably wondering, does it smell like watermelon? Because you know it says watermelon, like niacinamide dew drops. Yes, it does smell like watermelon, but I would definitely say it's more on like the neutral slash like lighter side for like skincare products. And you know, as much as I love this product, but right now it is too expensive. It is like out of my budget for skincare right now. So if any of you guys are thinking about like purchasing or trying this product, I would definitely say, you know, go in store, especially go to Sephora, ask for like a sample, or wait until like there's a sale. So maybe for instance, they do like a spring, and they also do like a holiday sale. So I definitely would say like the best time to pick and try this up is during the holiday season, because they're gonna give you guys at least like a certain amount discount off. And also aside from that, they usually come out with like a holiday set, and I'm sure like one of these products will be included in that set. So if any of you guys who have tried this product, you know, let me know, what do you guys think? Do you guys like it? Do you guys hate it? Or is there like another product from this line that you guys absolutely love? I would love to hear that. So yeah, well, that is it for today's video, and I shall catch you guys later. Bye.